Today we got a video from Strange Body Cam, and the title of the video is Instacart driver's simple delivery turns into nightmare after refusing to stay in her vehicle.
Driver, turn off the vehicle now! Hey, ma'am, sit down in the car.
No.
No, ma'am. Stop right now!
No. Do not touch me! Do not touch me! You know what?
Don't try to dig your nails in my hand.
It started as a routine Friday night grocery run, but when this defiant Instacart driver ignored a patrol car's lights, a simple stop turned into a chaotic battle of wills. She thought she could outrun the law, but by the end of the night, she was behind bars, leaving the officers to finish her delivery for her.
Driver, turn off the vehicle now! Turn it off! Turn off the vehicle now! Turn off the vehicle! Driver, put the keys on top of your car now! Driver, turn off the vehicle! Now!
I told her to turn off the car about 3 times now, and she's just sitting there, so I haven't walked up yet.
Hey, ma'am, sit down in the car.
No.
No, ma'am. Stop right now!
No.
Right now! Ma'am, you're gonna be put under arrest if you don't start listening, okay?
I can listen to you, but I'm not going to listen to any military
go ahead.
policeman.
Turn around.
All right, so who's the Uber
Put your hands
driver?
behind your back. Put your hands
Do not touch my behind.
Put your
Do
hands
not
behind your
touch
back.
my behind.
No one's trying to touch
Do
your
not touch
Your
my
behind?
Behind your back.
Oh boy,
Do not touch me.
this is one of them feminist liberal joints right here. I could already see. I could already tell, man, and I don't like to get into these type of topics, man, but just the way she talking, I could see it a mile away, man. But first off, the cop should be he should be bladed with a weapon drawn, because you told this person multiple times to get out and they're not getting out. They're not doing your command or whatever. So for you to just walk up blindly with a flashlight, you don't know what that person is got. And then they gonna get out the car real fast. You don't know what you wasn't even ready. She could have hopped out with a weapon. She could have hopped out real fast and you would have been out of here. Checked out. See you in the afterlife. So, you know, I recommend he should have went up bladed and weapon drawn, in my opinion.
Hey, ma'am.
Boom!
Sit
Look,
down in the car.
you would have been gone.
Stop right now!
No.
Right now! Ma'am, you're gonna be put under arrest if you don't start listening, okay?
I can listen to you, but I'm not going to listen to any military
go ahead.
policeman.
Turn around.
All right, so who's the
Put
Uber
your hands
driver?
behind your back. Put your hands
Do not touch my behind.
Put your
Do
hands
not
behind your
touch
back.
my behind.
No one's trying to touch
Do
your
not touch my
Put your hands
behind.
behind your back.
I'm not listening to no military policemen. Oh, God.
Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
She got some daddy issues. Some male authority issues. For real.
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop fighting.
No. You need to stop understanding what the f***. Can I not be stand up for 2 minutes? Oh my God. Oh my fucking God.
Hey, this didn't have to be like this.
God! Oh my God! You know fucking what? I fucking love, you know what?
Don't try to dig your nails in my hand. All right, you gonna keep doing that?
Yes!
All right, are we gonna talk now?
No!
All right, well, now you're under
cannot.
arrest.
Now you're under arrest.
Search
Oh my God!
Search her.
No! Ah! Leave me alone, you'll find out!
Okay.
Ah! 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 I'm a dancer, I swear to God, if you cripple me, you're gonna find out!
Ma'am, it didn't have to be like
You're
this.
gonna find out!
And she's a dancer.
You're gonna find out!
I mean, I can really only find that out from you.
Yeah, right. You will. Stop touching me before I take a picture with you.
Well, we can all take a picture together if you want.
I can't get their front pockets, but their back pockets are good.
We'll let you.
Like, whose apartment is this? I want to deliver some gifts to some Walmart person.
Stop screaming!
Stop touching me then. Stop touching me.
You need to listen.
No, I
Ma'am,
cannot
ma'am.
breathe in this angle, unfortunately.
Okay, you want to go on your stomach?
You're talking just.
No. Leave me alone. I cannot.
Hey.
You are under arrest. No one's leaving you alone.
No one's leaving you alone at this point.
Oh my God.
Ma'am,
Can
stop.
you at least get the delivery? Oh my God, they stole the phone. They're so stupid. Ah!
Hey, here's what we're gonna have to ask you at this point. We need to put you in the back of our car. Are we gonna have to carry you, or are you gonna walk?
No, I can walk.
Okay.
Are you going to walk? That's the question.
I can walk and I will walk.
Okay.
Okay. You got it?
I drove here, didn't I?
Well, we don't know.
No, I'm bringing this.
We'll get it.
I will grab
No,
it. I will
because
grab
you
it.
guys dropped my phone already. You don't give a fuck about my heart.
go.
You don't give a fuck about anything but other than this.
Let's go. Come on.
No! You expose me in front of everyone. Yes, you do. I can't even take a burst speed.
Sit down.
I can't even take a
Sit down.
burst speed.
Sit down.
Ah!
Get in the car.
Break.
Oh boy.
Hold it off. I was trying to actually just turn. All right.
Yeah, I'd say maybe. I don't know.
It smells like vodka.
I don't know what Snapple smells like.
It says it's agave. I don't know what that is.
No, that's not pretty fruity.
That's tequila, agave.
She said she was delivering presents from Walmart.
Agave go in tequila, right? Or made with tequila. Something
Went
like
to turn
that.
in, got in the turn lane for La Quinta, straight past it, pulled a Yui in that little entryway right here by this parking lot. I lit her up for improper lane usage, and then she flew down, straight through, around, and then stopped here again. It was so strange.
Here's the thing, the only reason this many people are out here is when we actually take someone into custody that's resisting us, we have to actually try to do it without injuring you further. So it takes a lot of restraint from all of us. Okay? And honestly, the more people out here, the more of us that are out here, the more cameras are out here. So everything gets recorded. Alright? That's all. So in the future, if a police officer stops you, you need to stay in the vehicle until you're told otherwise. Legally. I understand it looks like you legitimately are just trying to do a job right now, but
Like, I don't even know. I was trying to contact Uber support, and I don't even know if they have some way to bring up everything that's in the trunk for the people upstairs. Does to swipe it up, scroll down,
Scan
and then
barcodes.
scan barcode.
Okay, thank
And
you.
then you're gonna have to click and take a picture.
I will.
Make sure that the number is in the picture.
Okay. All right, we're in 205 at Regency Manor. Say that again. Yeah, it's gotta get towed. No, it's getting towed to the tow yard. Okay, we'll talk about.
No. We will not talk about anything later. Where are you bringing the vehicle?
The vehicle.
Have a conversation with my husband before you bring the property.
The vehicle is being.
I am still buying this to him.
Okay. Vehicle is being towed. The vehicle is being towed. The vehicle is being towed to Cleats Towing. All right. It's towed.
Better not follow him.
It's towed. And
No, it is
yes, it is. Under the police department's terms, it is towed incident.
Is that Lincoln? Because he seems to be lying to me. Right
I am not lying to you,
You are
ma'am.
lying to me right now because I want to see you bring that to my vehicle, apartment that is supposed to go.
It is going to the tow yard.
5769.
It is going to the tow yard.
35257.
Yes, it is.
I'm asking a question. Where is the car going? Because it's not going to the tow yard.
Yes, it is. It's going to It's going to Cleats Towing.
I'm sorry, that's not predicting the future. I want to know the direct future right now.
It's going to
Where's
Cleats.
that car going?
Cleats
It's
Towing.
not an apartment building.
It's going to Cleats Towing.
Absolutely.
One.
What men want to sign up to deal with her? The cops did a nice thing though, honestly. by delivering the groceries and all that stuff, I think that's a great thing. Especially if nobody is busy or doing anything. Fantastic. Personally, no, I'm not doing that. You know why? Because she has been nothing but a pain. So guess what? The people will get their money back because the food wasn't delivered, right? And you are gonna get a bad Uber, DoorDash, whatever score, because that's what you deserve.
38 Douglas Avenue in O'Fallon.
I'm sorry, what was your name?
My name's Officer Gonzalez. My badge number is 136.
And you're going the wrong way.
To what?
You're bringing the car. Where? He stole my husband's vehicle.
I didn't steal it, ma'am.
In a lot. Somebody else is doing this.
Nobody else is gonna live in your vehicle, ma'am.
Did you take a picture of this?
It was caught on there, and
Because you're not going to take them off until you take a picture of it.
I'm not gonna take a picture of him, so you can sit in handcuffs as long as you want. You're not leaving until you get your fingerprints done either. So, all right, go and stand up. Follow me. Actually. You want me to take those off of you or not? Whenever you go in here.
No, keep them on.
Because you're about to go sit in a cell until you start cooperating with me. Then you're just going to stay there until you let me do the stuff that we need to do. Like I said, all you need is your fingerprints, and I'm going to give you a ticket, and you're going to walk out of here. Okay? You're not.
How did I leave here with 3 fines?
You're getting one ticket.
No.
Let her
You're getting one ticket
sit,
for a
man.
second. That's all it is.
The military obstructed me when they lied on their filing because I was trying to report Airman Tyler for molesting people. And they said that I was speeding when I was in a passenger seat. So I'm tired of listening to the police because all they do is act without thinking clearly and investigating what.
Like I said, I've explained everything to you, the entire situation. Okay? So, you're going to let me take the handcuffs off or not? Can I take them off? Thank you. No? Okay, let's go. No, okay, come with me. No. No. She's going to go sit in the cell until she lets me take the handcuffs off her.
The delivery driver was arrested and charged with obstructing a peace officer, along with a warning for improper traffic lane usage. While she was eventually released, her car was impounded, leaving the officers to complete her grocery delivery for her. She is presumed innocent until proven guilty.
Oh my goodness. It's sad. The generation coming up, man, is doomed, man. Doomed. We are doomed. We are cooked. Anyone from, I would say, I would say anyone like, I'm 31 and my generation is definitely cooked. So I would say anyone from like 33 and under is just, this is what you get. And it gets worse as you go down. Like, it gets worse. Like my generation, 30s, them 94, them 90, 93, 94, 95 babies, you know what I'm saying? We still got a little, but you start getting into them 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2000. Yeah. Cooked, man. Cooked. Like, it's over with. It's only getting worse, as we can see. So anyway, I think the officers did pretty decent. I give a 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.